Hi guys. Okay, so we are going to unbag the insert name here. Okay, I've already tried it on. You might have seen pictures, but I wanted to do a little unbagging and first impressions kind of thingy with you so I can give you my thoughts. So let's open it. Okay, first of all, I got the color in jet black. My hair is black mostly, and there are brown, but it's like since it's shorter, it's still mostly black because the brown got cut off. Could say like the summer ombre thing. I had that going when it was longer. Anyways, so here's the pony. It's a little tangled right now because it was in the bag, but here it is. This is the Brit, and the difference between Brit and Maya or Mia, I don't know which one, how you pronounce that one, but Mia, I think. The difference is Mia is much more sleek and straight, and the Brit has these really cute curls, giving it that glam look. And I got another one to try on, so we will unbag that one also. But yeah, this one is in jet black, so it goes pretty well with my hair actually. It and when I tried it on, and I'll show pictures later, obviously on the feed, that you'll see that it blends in really well. And I think I could have gone to black brown also, but jet black just it's just seamless. It looks great. So how you insert it is you put your hair in either a high pony or a low pony. Mine is really short, so I kind of got it up to, here, which was actually a decent height for my pony. And as it grows a little bit longer, which I'm sure it will, I will probably do it a little higher, but I preferred the position I put it in. So how it goes is it has a, oh gosh, I got tangled. Anyways, it has a Velcro strip, which you make your pony and you wrap it around and you Velcro close it. And before you do that, you use this clip and you clip it into your pony. And no, it doesn't hurt. If ponytails hurt you, like tight ponytails, then it could, but and for me that is an issue. So like if I would do a low ponytail, it'd probably work better for me because it just doesn't like sit tight on your head. But if you are wearing it for a couple hours or so, like at a party, or well, right now we're not doing those things, but if you wore that for an event, then this is really easy to wear and it doesn't slip like you would expect. Like, oh, like you dance for a bit and it slips. It won't do that. So like, yeah, you could shake your ponytail around and yeah, so it's pretty cool. I like the concept of this because I was missing wearing my hair in a long ponytail. Like it just gives you that feeling. And so if you miss that feeling with short hair, don't fret. You don't have to grow your cool haircut out. You can just get one of these ponytails and just clip it in. And it's super easy and affordable too. Most ponies are like 49 and under or so. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, they're pretty affordable. And yeah, it's just an easy way to change your look up sometimes, which is always a must. And yeah, so you can check them out at INH Hair. Is it INH Hair? Okay, don't quote me on that either. But I will give you the link and I'll tag it for you so you can click on it and, do the needful. And yeah, so it was good talking to you guys today. I hope you have a great day and stay safe and healthy out there. And we'll talk later. All right, see you. Bye.